Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Postfix configuration for business mail. Begin by logging into your VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to connect. Make sure you have root or sudo access for the next steps. First, check if Postfix is installed on your server. Run the command dpkg grep postfix. If Postfix is not installed, you can install it using sudo apt-get install postfix. Once Postfix is installed, locate the configuration files. The main configuration file is usually found at /etc/postfix/main.cf. Open this file using your text editor of choice. For example, use the command sudo nano /etc/postfix/main.cf. Review the existing configuration settings carefully. Key parameters to check include my hostname, my domain, and my destination. Ensure my hostname is set to your server's fully qualified domain name. Set my domain to your business domain without www. For my destination, include localhost, localhost.localdomain, and your domain name. Next, check the relay host setting if you are using a remote SMTP server. If you are connecting to an external mail relay, set relay host accordingly. Review other settings, such as mail_delivery_status, and adjust as needed. After making your changes, save and close the configuration file. Now, run the command sudo postfix check. This command checks your configuration for any errors. If everything is correct, reload Postfix to apply the changes. Use the command sudo system to reload Postfix. Next, verify that Postfix is running correctly. Check the status by running sudo system status postfix. Look for a line indicating that the service is active and running. Test your configuration by sending a test email. Use the command echo test email mail as test your-email at your-domain.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.